Hello everyone, I am Hemant Bajaj from Krijuna Research. I'm a chartered accountant and a company secretary, having 15 years of experience in investing in the capital markets. In 2022, we started Krijuna by getting a research analyst license. Now, what do we do at Krijuna? And first, you must be wondering what is Krijuna? So, Krijuna, the name itself is a combination from the two greatest mythological characters, which is the Krishna and Arjuna. So, what these signifies? These signifies that we have a sharpest focus like Arjuna, but at the same time, we would be hearing the supreme, that is the markets. This is our philosophy, and hence the name Krijuna. We have been into the markets for last 15 years, investing our proprietary fund, as well as for the friends and the relatives who have been in connect with us for last 15 years. They have generated reasonable wealth out of our advice. And we, as investors and as fund managers, are always focused on deep research backed stocks in our curated folios. All our effort is to focus on high quality research backed by numbers, backed by technicals, and hence we would invest in a stock. So the whole effort is to make a product which is appealable to the retailers in a way that they would be able to generate better returns over a period of time. Most of the investments that we do, we target the micro cap, small cap, and mid cap segment because we have always believed that these are the segments which can create better wealth for our investors, as well as it is easier for us to understand this space in a better way as compared to the large cap companies, which might have hundreds and hundreds of subsidiaries. And probably what is going on there in the subsidiaries, it would be difficult for us to understand each and every aspect. The research is not only backed by the numbers or the reading the annual reports or between the lines, but even meeting the right management, the people, the promoters who have the right mindset of managing managing the companies in a way which brings out the best quality of capital allocation. So with all the 15 years of experience in the market, finally we draw down something which can be used by us like a compass, because there are a lot of things in the market, a lot of moving parts in the market, which probably becomes difficult to gauge each and everything. But what we have understood over last 15 years is these are the points which can, if those points can be taken care of during our research, we are definitely there for a reasonable return over a period of time. And of course, we all know the power of compounding returns over a period of time. Right? This gives the birth of our investment philosophy, which is SARTHI. So SARTHI is basically a culmination of 15 years of experience of our market experience. And we believe that each and every acronym in the word SARTHI is absolutely important for us. We vouch each and every company, we audit each and every company, we scan each and every company with the SARTHI framework that we have. And we have been believing and we have believed that yes, this is the way of success, and this is the way of creating a reasonable wealth over a period of time. So, what does Sarthi means for? If I recap it, Sarthi is focusing on small companies, focusing on those companies which have growth, accelerated growth. Capital allocation has to be robust with these companies. There should be tailwinds in the industry itself, which can drive the board of the company at double the speed that what it is targeting. And of course, very important is the honesty of the management. It is imperative and it is a non-negotiable attribute that we do while scanning the management. And finally, we do use the technicals also because markets are supreme and we have to hear the markets, what they say about the company. So with this Sarthi framework, we are sure that we will be helpful in this wealth creation journey for our subscribers, for our investors. The only thing that is needed from them is to believe, to trust, and to have patience. Thank you very much for your time and let's create wealth. Let's build it patiently. Thank you.